freaking bike video. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh wait, yeah, I do. Watch this. You see those freaking things? Let's go through them. Whoop. Let's go. I meant to go through them, but not over them. I kind of went over them. That's kind of stupid. Xavier, where are you going? Child. I don't. Ugh. Come here. Child. Yeah, sure. Doing this one-handed is so hard. Oh crap. Oh my god. That was terrifying. Get over here! Hold on, I have to wait for this child. Hashtag little brother. Xavier, why'd you take so long?
I don't know. I'm slow.
Yeah, we know.
And that thing is slow.
No way! You have a tiny bike. There's a railing right there. I have a big bike. Longer. Yeah, whatever. And it's harder for me to go through. And I still did it before you. Oh, you're slow. Going up a hill. Super boring. Oh, big. Ha ha ha. What you got? What you got? What you got?